Hey.
Lucky I got my trousers on, isn't it?
The camera's out already. Are you ready for full send?
Are you ready for full send?
What school is this?
What school is this? It's Whips and Wheelie School. We've got no teacher apparently.
Yeah, we definitely don't have a teacher.
Yes.
All
Don't get my biking because like, no, like.
Who you sponsored by again?
I've already been riding this morning.
Yeah, true.
I've already been riding.
True. It's so warm right now, that engine. What are you doing?
What am I? I'm stretching because I'm an athlete. I told you, he films everything.
He is an athlete. Check him out.
I mean, he's a pro fighter.
He is actually a pro fighter.
Well, he was. He's washed up now.
2017 450 and the Electric Motion E-Pure race. Coming to a different spot today, and it's at my good friend Robin Scary's place. We've got freestyle jumps, we've got enduro tracks, rocks, logs, everything you can do on two wheels you can do here. Maybe not tarmac because we've only got the grass. I'll quickly just give you a little run around over there, and we'll show you what the ramps look like. This is the one that I normally hit. I mean, not much can go wrong, and I know you might think that's a bit mad saying that, but it really can't. You know, if you can jump a bike, all you got to do is roll on the throttle off the lip and just make it to the top there, which is probably not far off 20 feet, I'm gonna say. It's about 30 feet to the sweet spot of the landing. And then when you get super confident, you can move over to these 8-meter ramps. This one's here is on runners, so it keeps it nice and straight when you pull it forwards and backwards. It's awesome to see the guys send the 21-meter gap. But all the little ramps are just amazing for learning to seat bounce and just small whips and little no-footers, no-handers and all sorts. A good friend of mine, Max Brown, he was here not too long ago, and it just shows why maintenance is so important on these things, because his wheel got caught on a bit of mesh. The bike came flying off the edge and he literally flew through the air. Somehow survived and no injuries, I don't think. Max, if you had any injuries, just let me know. Less talking now and more riding, so get my helmet on and I'll see you on the bike. Second gear. A little bit short.
Oh, that's sick.
This is like second gear. Train me in and then like peel off a few times.
That's what I did. I watched him like once side eye.
Like all of that adjustment in the air, you don't need to do that. He's just doing it, he loves it. Here, let's ride up to the top.
It's not that one, is it?
It's this fat one here. But like the worst that can possibly happen is that you just case it and you're going to be fine because you're not going fast. Full send?
Huh?
Full send?
Full send.
Yeah, Chris, I've no idea. Is that still recording? I don't even know. Is it on? Nice. That was good. The ramp gap right now is about 200 feet.
At least 200 feet.
Probably, yeah, we pushed it in a touch. It was 220, so
yeah.
Fourth gear wide open.
Yeah, just tame it down a bit. Here comes Calvin. Oh, the old panic rev. Mr. Morrison. You know he actually owns Morrison. Yeah.
What? Fuck so
you.
close to me there.
It's actually dangerous.
So dangerous.
May as well just get more airtime. That's way more dangerous.
Oh, the
bar
turn. That was
the
sick.
tweak.
That was cool.
What you got for me? Oh my god!
Are you kidding me?
This guy.
Looks so good. Well,
I reckon.
In control of it all then.
Should we go halfway, or do you want to go?
Let's go to the concrete. It's only like 5 feet.
All right, to concrete.
Talk me through what's happened then.
Basically, you hooligans have like decided to get very progressive today. First day on the ramps for Morrison, and we're already at, what's that? Got to be 14 meters,
150 foot?
otherwise known as 150 foot.
Cool.
So, first gear.
Fast back.
First gear, everyone. Come on then, George. Like, we just pushed it back. Show me how it's done. Yo.
Big.
It is big, isn't it?
That is a lot bigger.
That's, you greased that. What are your thoughts and feelings on this then?
My bum I was going like that.
That's massive, isn't it? Right, here he goes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is he alive? Let's get a bit closer. Oh! He's feeling out tricks already. What a guy. Nice. Already feeling out a no-foot can?
Right, pull out a shot, a trick.
Alright, no-foot can 100%.
No foot can.
No-foot can right now. What happened there? Talk to me.
I just twisted a little bit much.
Come on then, do it. Do it! Do it! Yo! Yes, George! Well then, Chris. Yeah. Greased it. Nice.
Yes, Calvin.
Like, wow.
Right, it's your go now.
Pretty massive though.
Second gear, more roll on. That's all you got to do.
Second gear wide open.
No.
Okay, so I'm probably gonna shift to third and then just give it some.
All right. Come on in, Alex. Straight in.
I think I want to do like so close.
Why does he do that? He goes so close. Look at that dog. Hey, Steve-O. Freestyle dog.
I think
All right.
wheelie this.
Wheelie the box. Okay, let's have a look at the box.
Wheelie would be easier, but
Yeah.
like nose wheelie would be cool.
Why so close?
He's so like actually so close.
Nose wheelie.
Yeah, but it's hard to not take.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I'll do first. I'll wheelie it first. Don't do that.
Wheelie the box first.
Yeah. And then
Send the berm.
yes.
Went for the suey. He just went
For the vlog, bro.
Ah, mate, as soon as the engine cuts out, so does your heart.
If I get the wheelie good, I'm fucking
Right,
on.
wheelie, massive suey.
Well, it's not massive, but better than that. That is so far away. Look, miles.
Alright,
What are you gonna do then?
I think
Turn that off.
if I get this smaller ramp dialed in, then no hander lander,
No hander lander.
I reckon.
What? So I do a no hander,
Yeah.
and you have to one up me immediately and
Yeah.
land no handed.
100%, then you got to do it afterwards.
No, I don't,
Yes, you do.
mate. If you land no handed now, yeah, that's
Alright, so
you win the day then.
I need to get the distance right, and if it is, I'll do it, and hopefully I've got.
You're gonna
bigger
land no
screws.
handed.
Yeah, fine.
Done it before?
No.
Wow. I'm scared for him a bit, actually, not gonna lie. Please work, please work, please work, please work. Oh! What the hell? That was sick! What? What? Dude, nah, that was sick. They were like, all the, as if he just did that.
I'll do it again.
Alright, sound. Fuck it, all in one clip. Crap wheelie. Trying to get better, like, I don't know where to go. This is like too much excitement. Go on, George. Ah, pussy. Crap, you are. Crap. Give your bike back to Ben and quit. Go on, George. Yeah. Oh my God. How do you do that? That's stupid.
To be continued.